Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rahina,
Hi, I'm Shamir.
and today we're going to be recording a podcast for you guys.
We have a lot of interesting stuff to talk about.
So true.
And Rahina is gonna introduce the topic now.
Topic for today is gratitude.
Okay, I like it. Yeah, it's a nice
It's a
topic.
surprise for him. He didn't know we are going to talk about gratitude.
Okay.
Definitely never mentioned it to him. Tell me 3 things that you're grateful for.
I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my friends. I am grateful for my family. And I'm grateful for the world
Being
around
here.
me.
I thought he was going to say he's grateful for being here in this video because as you all know,
Yes.
this is such a popular channel, like world
Yeah.
famous. People
Traction.
love this channel.
You should tell your viewers to check out my Spotify.
Yeah, mashallah, so he's a very successful rapper, like super famous. Like just write "Wake Up Shams" on Spotify and you'll find him.
Pick up Shams, guys. Go give it a
I'll
listen.
put it here.
Fuck yeah.
And he has released one song, Filhal, and he's gonna be releasing more. So you guys need to follow him.
Yeah, stay on the
You guys need
lookout,
to do it.
guys.
Yeah.
Dropping a whole bunch of music very
And
soon.
music videos, hopefully.
Yeah, music videos as well. A lot coming. Very excited for it.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the actual thing that we're talking about today, which is gratitude. So, Rahina, what are 3 things that you're grateful for?
3 things that I'm grateful for are number 1, my mother, because like I think the relationship that I have with her is just so nice, and abhi this period that I'm going through, I just love that she's there with me, you know. And if she wouldn't be here, तो फिर मुझे बहुत sad होती यार मैं मतलब actually I would be really sad, but I'm glad that she's here. Also, second thing, my friends, obviously. And I'm just grateful for the people that are there around me.
That's great. Love it.
Pausing with this show of that.
And here's why all of you should practice gratitude. The reason is that
It's just good. Like you guys have so many blessings. Like all of us, we have so many things to be
Yeah.
grateful for. But then कभी कुछ off हो जाता है and then we feel कि oh shit, you know, maybe life isn't as perfect or छोटी चीजें. Because I was a complainer. Like when I tell you कि I was like the biggest complainer, I was like I hated everything. But अब मुझे हो रहा है कि I have so much to be grateful for. And like I wake up every day. I have a bed to sleep on. My body's working. I have food to eat. Like,
yeah, not everyone has that.
Exactly.
Not everyone has the privilege of living the kind of life we do, you know, and everyone has their own unique form of suffering that they go through in their own life, and everyone has problems, and everyone has sad things that they're going through, and, you know, just rough times in their life. But the more you can sort of stay resilient in the face of that, the more you can choose to remain in a good mood despite that and still help others despite how difficult things might be for you. And, you know, just take notice of all the blessings that God has given you. You just feel happier. You just be better off, you know. And life will be a whole lot better without you changing much except for the way you think about things, your mindset.
Yeah.
And it's really useful for your mental health as well. Just take notice of things that make you happy in like small, tiny moments. It could be like the coffee you have when you wake up in the morning, or like the way the sun makes you feel when you're sitting in it, like on a cold winter morning or something like that. It could be anything. Just take notice of it. Take notice of the fact that it's nice and appreciate it. And if you learn to practice that, if you learn to sort of implement that on a day-to-day basis where you're reminding yourself of the things that you're grateful for, you will feel a lot better about life. And you'll actually take advantage of the opportunities in front of you more as well, because you'll be conscious of them.
And the more you focus on things that are going well in your life, तो और चीजें आएंगी आपके पास. you know?
Exactly.
So what you focus on grows.
Exactly. What you give your attention to is what ends up happening.
There's like a phrase now where attention goes, energy flows. Something like that, I don't know. But like, yeah.
Rahina was the one who came up with that, like 20,000 years ago.
I think everyone...
Everyone should comment in the comments
That's what I was
about
gonna
what
say.
they're grateful for.
I think everyone, and like 3 things, not
Yes.
just one thing.
Yeah,
because
it has to be 3.
Everybody, like we all know, कि बहुत सारी चीजें to be
Exactly.
grateful for. So just like, and you don't have to stick to 3 things. It can be more than 3, but like 3 is the minimum because we want to remind ourselves of the beautiful things in life. It's important.
Exactly.
ये है ना हम लोग रात को रोज यही करते हैं कि 3 things that we like about ourselves because it's also like you know उसी में आ जाता है कि we're grateful for the things that we have to offer. Oh, let's talk about 3 things that we like about ourselves.
Okay.
So let's go, Shanvi. 3 things that you love about yourself.
Okay. I love the fact that I am optimistic. I love the fact that I can be happy and make others happy. And I also, I kind of like the fact that I can just be a light in someone else's life, you know, like just be there for people in ways that make them feel like they're in line with their true purpose. Because like so much of the time, like people are caught up in the complexities of their own life and they don't stop to sort of realize what's in front of them, and just being able to recontextualize things like that for people is like it's helpful for them, and it helps me out as well because it's like, okay, you're being a force for good in the world. So I mean, those are just the things off the top of my head. I feel like I have to think about this properly and like think about it. You think so?
Yeah, this is good. Let's see what the 3 things that I like about
Yes.
myself.
Let's hear them.
I think I like the way that I love people because so then I was just thinking about it. Oh my god, like it's very unconventional. Like you know, I don't know how to explain this, but I genuinely have a lot to give from her, and the way that I love it's very strange, honestly, but I think it's coming from a good place. So I really like, and I know it's not for everyone. I like that I take care of my body a lot. Matlab, I have started doing that. I think I started grounding myself बहुत ज़्यादा, and I take deep breaths and stuff आजकल बहुत मैं zen होने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ basically. And this is because it's important for my health, and everyone should like you know, because breathing is such a simple act, but the more mindful you are, it's better for your body. Like even when you're eating, it's good to like focus on what you're eating, whatever activity you're doing, giving your 100% attention, like just putting your awareness to that thing is good for your body. Because sometimes when we're watching stuff and we're eating, so एक होता है ना, you're just being sort of disrespectful कि bro you have like food, and or like if you're talking to someone and like you're distracted, so just respect that company or respect that food, or you know, do you feel me? I think I've been trying to do that a lot, and it's just my way of being grateful. Like I'm just grateful for that thing.
Cool. I think the fact that you mentioned that is cool because when you give your attention to something, you are being grateful for it.
Yeah.
Like, and the less you sort of pay attention to it, the less you're gonna feel the less grateful you're gonna feel for the positive effects that it might have on your life. Now, you could be having the best meal of your life, like, but you might not appreciate it the same way if you're distracted by it, or you might be like about to have like a really meaningful like therapeutic conversation with a friend or something like that. But if you're distracted and you're not paying attention to them, and then you know that just gets lost, and the potential for what could have been is just sort of gone. So take notice of that and pay attention to the things that are good in your life, because what you should be grateful for will jump out at you and you won't be able to hide from it. And you shouldn't hide from it. Why should you?
इससे मुझे याद है I like you know courts के rounds मारना because it's so nice, because I feel like I'm close to nature and I like being close to nature these days. Like I like it when the sun is hitting my face and इतनी अच्छी खूबसूरत सी हवा आ रही होती है and you're walking and like you're sweating too थोड़ा सा अंदर से because of course it's hot, but then it's just so nice. Like
It's grounding. It feels like you're
Yeah.
reconnecting.
yeah, you're reconnecting with Mother Nature.
Exactly. Flex.
ये मैं definitely काट रही हूँ.
क्यों?
ये क्या flex अजीब.
लाइटिंग अच्छी है.
कितने minute हो गए? hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. It was just us talking.
Yeah, it was just
I
us
think
talking.
It was nice. It was therapeutic. It was nice, and I hope you guys could feel.
Yeah, I hope you
through
felt
the
our energy.
video. Yeah.
And we
Got
hope that.
अच्छी energy.
Yeah.
Definitely. Like it's good. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Take care. See you guys.